January 13th, 2021 review. Ella paid $11.85 for 3 magazines. If each magazine was the same price, how much would she pay if she were to buy 5 magazines? So first of all, it says she pays $11.85 for 3 magazines. And then our question is, well, how much would she pay if she were to buy 5 magazines? So first thing we need to do is figure out how much is 1 magazine. So remember, put the money on top. Here's our money on top, dude. Put the money on top here. So, as always, so $11.85 for 3 magazines. Now we have 11 and 8,500, they're $11.85 divided by 3. We are going to be able to pop that decimal up. Now we can divide. How many times can 3 go into 1? Well, it can't. How many times can 3 go into 11? It can go in 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. 11 minus 9 is going to be 2. Drop down that 8. How many times can 3 go into 28? Well, I know it can go in 9 times because 3 times 9 is going to be 27. Subtract. 8 minus 7 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Bring down that 5 to make it 15. So 3 goes into 15 5 times. So 3 times 5 is 15, and we get 0 here. So there's no remainders and nothing left to bring down. So for our unit price, oops, sorry, I forgot to write that over here. Dollars for 3 magazines. I'm going to put mag. It is going to be $3.95 for 1. That's only for 1. Now, it says how much would it be if she buys 5? So we're going to take this number and we are going to multiply it by 5. Multiply by 5. So, here we go. All right, $3.95 times 5, because she's going to buy for 5 magazines. Now let's multiply 5. Well, I'll do it in blue. 5 times 5 is going to be 25. I'm going to carry that 2, drop that 5. 9 times 5 is going to be 45 plus 2, 46, 47. 5 times 5 times 3 is going to be 15. Plus 4 is going to be 19. The decimal in 1 and 2. Decimal in 1 and 2. So we have $19.75. That is going to be our answer. And that is for 5 magazines. So you can either write it over here or you can write it down here. And that's going to be it for our review. Great job!